Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking i500 TWS AirPods Pro lookalike. You can see that it is a very nice and very effective earbuds. It has been designed really nice and it gives you the sound that you really want out of this. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and make sure you click the notification icon so you will be notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly for you. If you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. Alright, you can see that the box is really clean and very simple. The way that has been designed, it really resembles the actual EarPod Pros. And going around, it doesn't have much marking, but once you go to the back, it has the picture, which is open box, and it indicates that it is created in China. That's not the only thing. It also tells you that it's a wireless charging case that is part of this. Alright, so enough said, let's get this open. So once we open the bottom and we take everything out, here are all the components. See, here's the cable that comes with the headset. Now the only thing is, this is USB Type-C, and this part is the lightning cable so that we can charge it. Now this is about half a meter. It also comes with this little portion that is also showing you the little ear tips. Now that means is, if you ruin yours, you can replace it by this, or if the one that you have inside on the headphones, it is small, you can use this that is bigger, or the one that you have is bigger, you can use the smaller ones, so that way it is interchangeable for you. And there are a few of them. It also came with a little user manual, and the user manual is in Chinese language, which I do not know if it is Mandarin Cantonese. This part of it is talking about the iOS, so this is really made for iPhones, and when you're connecting it, it automatically knows that you have to turn on the Bluetooth, and then once you go in, it will tell you that this is the Earphones Pro, and that's how it's going to show up with the name as soon as you open the lid. So we will walk you through all that and how that's done. And also over here it says use your other Apple devices. That is all information is there that you need, but you can see that they have indicated everything in English, and also they have written it in Chinese, and going down it has more information there. Now going at the bottom part of it, it does say connect your device, how it is possible. So as soon as you open the lid, it should connect to your device, which we will show you in a few seconds. So here is the actual docking station. This is how it looks. So again, if you look all the way around the cut, also the hinges, and going around back to the front with the LED light with the charger in the bottom, and also everything around it does look pretty solid and it looks very real. Now I have to mention that this is not the real EarPod Pro. This is the Chinese brand. Now when you look at it, you will see some little differences. Just like the actual hold around it is not the same on the real one. Now let's try to open this and go around it. And there you go. This is how it opens. Now going to the front part of it, you do have the LED light. Now here's the syncing part. When you hold it for a few seconds, when you look in the front, it should turn green, and if it doesn't, when you open the top, there you go, now it turned green. That means it is on, and it is just right now waiting for it to be paired. And once you want to take it out, this is how everything looks. When you want to hook it back up, it looks beautiful. When you put it aside, or when you want to open it up. Now when you go in the back, the hinges itself, the hinges are done properly too, and it does indicate that this is designed by Apple in California, and also at the bottom of it says assembled in China, and all of that information is accurate. But that first part, I don't think so, but you can see the hinges are a little bit bigger than the real ones. And when you go to the pairing part, it looks exactly like how it is on the actual EarPods. And go in here, when you open it, the EarPods itself looks really cool too. It does have a little bigger indicator that says right. And then at the bottom, you do have the sensors, and that's really cool too. You go here, this is another sensor. This part looks like they have just entered some stuff, but it is, I'm not sure if it's real or not, but this is really cool too. Going on the back part of it, it is all nicely done. And we will go through to show you exactly how that part is done too. Well, once you take this part out, and no, actually the real one is mostly white. This is black. So it's a little bit different than the actual real one. But we will play with it and we will show you exactly, and we will give you some information on how real the sound is, how much bass it will grab, and more. So when you go back in it, let's just hook this up. And then the next thing we will capture is going to be how to pair it, and then we will test it out. Alright, so now let's get this paired with our phone. We will show you exactly how this is done. I am going to pair this with our Umidigi Pro 2. Now this is a beautiful phone, by the way, so I'm still using this day-to-day basis. But here you go, let's pair it. So we will drag down, we will go to our Bluetooth to make sure it comes on. And there you go. So there's not many things that I have paired with this. So here you go, this is our Airpod Pro Lookalike, and then we're going to press the back and hold it for a couple of seconds, and we're going to open it up. So this way it is going to go to a pairing mode. Right now you can see it that it just started blinking in green. So now it should come up here. So if it doesn't, we're going to click on this and we're going to say refresh. So that way it will find it for us. Let's see what name it comes up. So yes, there is a little Chinese writing that says AirPod Pro. So we're going to click on it. It takes a couple of seconds for it to be paired. And once it is paired, there you go. So let's go to it. And we're going to see exactly, so it says phone call can be made, media, audio, and also says contact sharing. And when we click on it, it shows that the connection will end. I'm going to say cancel. So it doesn't show much more after that. But once we take the EarPod out and we're going to get out of this app itself, the Bluetooth itself, and now we will go into YouTube. And we're just going to play one of these songs. We will flip it so that way we can see it a lot better this way. And there you go. So now if we tap in the back twice, so I really like it that it has that little connection. That way you can tap it once so it can play, or when you take it out of your ear. But again, when you put it in your ear, it plays perfectly. So again, the sensors are very, very touchy. As soon as you touch it, it will start playing or it will leave. And it won't allow you to play it again. But again, it hears you properly, and once you try to make a call, it does perfect job there too. So this is the sound test directly talking to the mic. It sounds like it's listening to the whole room, and it's also picking up your voice. So yes, it has ups and downs to it, but this is really how it sounds. You can use your wireless charger to charge it. And the best part is, once you hook it up, you can see that little light on the top will turn green. That means it's charging. Another good part is that you can use it roughly between 5 to 20 meters. So if you want to see that battery percentage on your phone to see exactly how much charge these earbuds have, each one right or left, you need to use iOS 13.2 in order to see that little pop function, or you can also use your Android devices, but make sure you are on OS 8.1 and above in order to see that. Now this was our take on the i500 TWS EarPod Pro Lookalike. Links will be available where you can order it from, except that if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. And I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctext.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.